Well, hello folks. Welcome to the video. I'm going to move me up. I could not be more excited to talk to you in this video about Live Good, the compensation plan, affiliate compensation plan. We get paid 6 ways. 6 ways we get paid. I could not be more excited to be a part of an opportunity that's just on a tear, on a rip to the upside, unlike I've ever seen in my life. Never seen a program move so fast. And we're going to invite you to come on in. Where can we be this time next year? Welcome to 2023, folks. This is affiliate marketing done right. Digital assets. This is multi-level marketing, network marketing on steroids. And I could not be more excited to be a part of Live Good. But before we get into it, guys, go ahead and like the video. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe to this channel. So when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. We're going to talk about some income examples here in this video of what we believe you can make. Of course, income disclaimer, in this life, nothing in life will happen for you until you take action, and you do a lot of it. Guys, I'm telling you, people are coming in these programs so fast, my head's spinning. I could not be more excited. Let me tell you, before we get started with Live Good, check out the YouTube channel, guys. I do several opportunities online. I'm in several programs. I market big ticket opportunities on the front side, and on the back side, I do my residual income programs, which want to build those things out to 5 figures per month. 5 figures per month. I'm in 2 of them. Of course, I'm in the grid, supplement grid, and the Live Good. So both of these things are rocking. Look at the people, guys, gals, that are signing up. I was hoping to show, well, I can sneak over here and show you. Look at the people that are just coming into the program. 8 signups into the grid today. So just great things are happening. Just look at that. They're coming in. They're new sign up. And I'm not going to open it up, but I could not be more excited. So again, yeah, I'm in several businesses, and one of the businesses we're running traffic and just exploding results here. Look at just sign up hour. Sign-ups coming in around the clock, folks. When you join our team, we'll show you how to do that. Get a hold of me if you have any questions, folks, about traffic resources. And I try to send an email to everybody that joins, but guys, the team is growing so fast now. It's kind of hard to get an email to everybody, but I am always accessible. My information will be below the video. And I can send you a welcome email, if you so desire, if you join me in Live Good. Like I said, it's growing so fast, guys. If you need any help with anything, traffic, resources, whatever, get a hold of me, and I'll send you a quick email with what I do. And if you want to get me on the phone, you can do that also. Powerful. This is the website that we're using. This creates the power line. This thing is converting like gangbusters. People are coming around the clock, folks. It creates the fear of loss. I'll show you the video, and it puts people into the power line. And every Thursday is a cutoff date. People will be upgrading when you get enough people in the system because of the fear of loss. Every Thursday, the system's going to remind them that they need to upgrade. Guys, you can join this business for as low as $49.95 and pay $9.95 per month. Folks, that's incredible. And our products, before I go to the ways that we get paid, hang on tight. We're going to look at the affiliate, the 6 ways we get paid in this video. That's what I really want to focus on, the fast start bonuses and all these 6 ways to get paid. But let me tell you, folks, our products are just amazing. I could not be more excited about the products in the back office, and what you get, what you're getting. Let me go down a few of them. The multivitamin here, multivitamin for men, women. The Keto 2000, magnesium, the protein-based protein tub, guys, for around 18 bucks and some change. The super greens, folks, this is incredible. We've got the super reds, the organic coffee. Kelly Tuller talks about this coffee. She's excited about it. Big shout out to Kelly Tuller. She's one of our team leaders and our upline. CBD oil for pets. We've got essential aminos. We've got advanced anti-inflammation management. And guys, I'm going to stop there, but look at the products that we have We've got the ageless skin serum. Folks, you want to look good all the time. You can even get them in bundles, packages. We even got what we call the everything pack. I'm not going to go over the prices in this video, guys, for the sake of time. This is absolutely incredible. The ways that we're going to get paid, our affiliate compensation plan at Live Good. Let me turn this back on, guys. I meant to have that going. At Live Good, your health and wellness will always be our number one focus. Absolutely exciting, guys. Caring about people. It's not about how much money we can make, how many people we can put in, but you put people first, money will come. It always works like that. In life, folks, put people first. At Live Good, your health and wellness will always be the number one focus. That's why we eliminate the middleman and make the highest quality products that are on the planet available to our customers at a fraction of the price of the competition. On top of that, the huge savings. Folks, in fact, you can make up to $2,447.50 without ever enrolling a single person. But if you decide to enroll, folks, it can become incredible. Earn income 6 ways. We have our weekly fast start bonuses. Folks, you get $25. $25 for everybody that you put personally into the matrix, that you personally enroll. Plus, any of those people that enroll, as you rank up, you're going to get paid down through several levels, up to 10 levels deep. Folks, look at that. When you rank from bronze to silver to gold to platinum, and it goes down. For the sake of the video, guys, soon I'll just dive in and stay on one way we get paid. But we get the fast start commissions, $25, and with the weekly fast start commissions, they're paid out the first. The weekly fast starts are paid out on the first month's membership on the $40 sign up fee. So you will receive $5 for any new members that you refer, plus $20 for any new affiliates you refer. Since people both join as a member and affiliate, folks, you usually get paid $25. $25 the very next week. Let me say that again. You will get paid $25 the very next week. So that's very exciting. So that in itself is very, very exciting. Could not be more excited about that. So again, weekly fast starts, matrix commissions. When you lock in your position in the matrix, folks, you're giving your own business center with a fast filling 2x15 matrix. As people join Live Good every week, they're placed under someone who's already in the matrix. So folks, right now we have, as I record this video, several thousand people in the company. What if 1 million people come in over the next 2 years? They can't go anywhere else but under the people that are already here in the matrix. And this is how you're paid out for the bronze, the silver, the gold, platinum, and the diamond. Folks, look at the money that can be earned as a bronze member. $4,000. As a gold member, $8,000. As a diamond and platinum member, as a platinum, you're looking at $8,100 a month. As a diamond, you're looking at $16,000 potential income disclaimer. Nothing happens till you take action per month. Folks, this is exciting. All these percentages based on a $9.95 per month membership fees. Commission for these members who join at the yearly option may be paid out over 12 months as the $9.95 membership, per month membership. So in other words, when people pay the yearly membership fee, it's paid out over 12 months to the affiliates, guys. So that works out just fine. And the yearly membership fee, what is it? $9.99 or $9.95 once per year. So you got a small savings there. Matching bonuses, folks, as a huge commissions matching bonuses. They are getting bigger and bigger. On top of that, folks, on top of the $2,000 up to $16,000, you can earn your personal matrix. Also, 50% match for everyone that you enroll, and a percentage of all those people, 5 generations deep, regardless of where they fall in the matrix. Folks, when you understand the matching bonuses, you will lose sleep at night. This is amazing. And then we got for personally enroll, as you rank up, guys, you get different percentages down through the 5th generation. Absolutely incredible. All right, and here is a hypothetical example. I'll go over that in another video. We get paid retail commissions, guys, as you sell the product. People buy the product, and we get paid on the retail commissions. Our life-changing products has a member price and retail price. While most choose to take advantage of the amazing membership for $9.95 per month, so they can save much more with member pricing, sometimes we do have the retail prices. So when we get paid that. Influencer bonuses, folks, for affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale. You will earn additional bonuses on all of that volume. In fact, you can earn 100% in the difference between the member price and retail price on all orders you refer. Folks, this is the way to go. I highly recommend Live Good. We get, again, paid 6 ways: weekly fast start commissions, the matrix, matching bonuses, retail commissions, influence bonuses, and we go from there. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. Live Good, I give it my highest recommendation. I want you to get started as a member today. Click the link below the video. Get started. If you need help with anything, feel free to reach out to me or any member in the team. We'll be more than happy to give you all the help that you may need. Folks, the main thing is just tell people. The system does all the follow-up, the selling, telling, explaining, so we never have to. We get 3 websites. Let me take you over here real quick. We get 3 websites, folks. Can you get traffic? If you can get traffic to, we got the corporate website, the retail site. Your job is to get traffic to this landing page right here. You drive traffic to this page. You can market it on Facebook. You can market it on Twitter, or however you want to get traffic to it. I do recommend, guys, some of the marketing, you will need a domain name, have it forwarded to your capture page, and basically get traffic. You know, your email contacts, that people that you've done business with in the past, send them a message. That's helpful. And there's many ways to get the messages out. It's unlimited. Okay, folks, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. This is the 6 ways we get paid with Live Good. 2023 will be incredible, and we want you to win so big. Bye for now. Until the next video.